What if I told you, one of India's most iconic scooters is now back with a powerful electric upgrade, better range, smarter tech, and even more affordable than before? Yes, we're talking about the all-new Bajaj Chetak Electric 2026 update. And trust me, this is not just an update, it's a complete game changer in the EV scooter market. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also show you why this scooter might be the best choice for daily riders in 2026. Welcome back to SG Riders. If you love bikes, scooters, and the latest auto updates, backhand index pointing right, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any new updates. Segment 1: Legacy and Comeback. The Bajaj Chetak is not just a scooter, it's an emotion. For decades, it ruled Indian roads with its strong metal body and timeless design. Now in 2026, Bajaj has taken that same legacy and transformed it into a modern electric scooter. But here's the interesting part. This new update is not just about going electric. It's about combining classic design with modern technology gemstone. And that's exactly what makes the new Chetak stand out in a market full of futuristic-looking scooters. Segment 2: Design and Build Quality. Let's talk about design. Unlike most electric scooters that use plastic bodies, the Bajaj Chetak still comes with a full metal body. That means heavy checkmark better durability, heavy checkmark premium feel, heavy checkmark long-lasting performance. The scooter has smooth curves, elegant paint finish, and a retro-modern vibe that instantly grabs attention. From the LED headlamp to the sleek indicators, everything feels well-built and premium. Honestly, if you want a scooter that looks classy and unique, this one is hard to beat. Segment 3: New Update Features. Now let's get into the biggest updates for 2026. Backhand index pointing right. Bajaj has introduced a more affordable variant, Chetak C25 expected. Backhand index pointing right. Improved battery technology. Backhand index pointing right. Better water resistance, IP67 rated battery. This means you can now ride confidently even in rain or rough conditions. Cloud with rain. Also, the software system has been improved. You now get smarter connectivity features like heavy checkmark app connectivity, heavy checkmark ride stats, heavy checkmark navigation support. And yes, the scooter is smoother than ever before. Acceleration is linear, perfect for city rides, and extremely beginner-friendly. Segment 4: Battery, Range and Performance. Now comes the most important question. Range. Battery. The new Bajaj Chetak Electric offers backhand index pointing right around 120 to 150 km range, depending on variant, which is more than enough for daily commuting. Top speed is around 60 to 70 km/h. So this scooter is not made for racing. It's made for heavy checkmark city comfort, heavy checkmark daily office rides, heavy checkmark smooth traffic handling. Charging time is also improved, and you can easily charge it overnight at home. So no stress about fuel, no long queues, just plug and ride high voltage. Segment 5: Price and Affordability. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight. Price money back. With the new 2026 update, Bajaj is targeting a more affordable segment. Expected price range: backhand index pointing right around 1 Indian rupee lakh to 1.3 Indian rupees lakh, depending on variant. And this makes it a strong competitor against Ola, Ather, and TVS scooters. But here's the difference. While others focus on aggressive styling, Chetak focuses on reliability plus premium feel plus brand trust. And that matters a lot for long-term users. Segment 6: Pros and Cons. Heavy checkmark pros. Premium metal body. Reliable Bajaj brand. Smooth riding experience. Good for daily use. Improved affordability. Cross-mark cons. Not very high speed. Range is good but not the best in segment. Limited sporty appeal. So if you're looking for performance, maybe not the best. But if you want comfort plus style plus reliability, this is perfect. Segment 7, Final Verdict. So, should you buy the Bajaj Chetak Electric 2026? Thinking face. Here's the simple answer. Backhand index pointing right, yes. If you want a premium, reliable, and stylish electric scooter, backhand index pointing right, yes. If your usage is daily city commuting. Yes, if you trust Bajaj and want long-term value. But backhand index pointing right and no, if you want high speed or sporty performance. Overall, Bajaj has played smart with this update. They didn't try to copy others. They improved what they already do best, 100 points. And that's why the Chetak still feels special. Outro plus call to action. So what do you think about the new Bajaj Chetak Electric? Is it worth buying in 2026? Thinking face? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, backhand index pointing right, like thumbs up. Backhand index pointing right, share counterclockwise arrows button. Backhand index pointing right, and don't forget to subscribe to SG Riders for more amazing updates. See you in the next video.